Hi friends, good morning. Myself Eji sir from Samvir School. I welcome all of you again. So we have started chapter Basic Concept of Chemistry. In last lecture, we have discovered the percentage of element in the compound. So there was little bit method how to find the percentage of element in the compound. We have simple formula to find out the percentage of element in compound. Formula is, repeating myself again, percentage of element equal to atomic mass of an element in compound into 100 upon molecular mass. With the help of this you can find out percentage of element in compound. Now we are studying opposite topic. If you are given percentage of element, then how can you find out the molecule formula, or how can you find out the empirical formula? So empirical formula will decide the composition present in molecule, and with the help of empirical formula we will find out the integral number, and integral number will help us to find out the molecular formula with the help of molecular mass. Rules cannot be memorized. You just follow the sum, rule will automatically remembered. So I will not explain the rule, but I will directly explain the sum, and you will definitely understand the rule. I am giving the sum which is not in your textbook, so you can revise this topic with the help of your textbook. So now we are having topic empirical formula, and molecular formula. This is our topic. What is empirical formula and what is the molecular formula will be easily understood. We are learning opposite topic of yesterday. Yesterday we have found the percentage of element in compound. Now we are having the percentage of element in compound. We have to find out empirical formula and molecular formula. So one example I am giving. In one compound, percentage of carbon is 54.55. Then percentage of hydrogen is 9.06, and percentage of oxygen is 36.39. So you are given percentage of element in compound. Clear? Carbon is 54.55, hydrogen is 9.06 percentage, and oxygen is 36.39 percentage. Percentage you are given, you have to find out the empirical formula and molecular formula. So you have to follow one table. With the help of that table you can easily do the sum. So we are having the table. First element you are given, then mass of element means atomic mass, then percentage, then atomic ratio, then ratio of simple whole number, simple whole number and simple whole number. So you can follow this all heading of table. EAM એટલે EAM element atomic mass, EAM, make the pair of 3 3. PAR percentage atomic ratio, EAM PAR. M par એમ કહી શકાય. Then RSW and SWN. EAM લખું છું અહીંયા, EAM element atomic mass, પછી par percentage atomic ratio, પછી RSW ratio of simple whole number, and SW repeat થાય SW simple whole number. EAM PAR RSW and SW. E means element, M means atomic mass, par means P means percentage, AR means atomic ratio, percentage પછી છે RSW ratio of simple whole number, RSW ratio of simple whole number, and SW simple whole number. EAM element first, atomic mass second, par P means percentage, A means atomic ratio, RSW ratio of simple whole number, SW simple whole number. Try to repeat this slogan and make table. Until you make table, you cannot solve the problem. So you are given simple percentage and molecular mass of compound is 88. Molecular mass of compound is 88 gram into mole inverse. You are given molecular mass also. With the help of molecular mass you can find out easily empirical formula, integral number, and integral number will help you to find out the molecular formula. So now you are given element is carbon, so carbon, element is hydrogen, then it is hydrogen, element is oxygen, then it is oxygen. It is clear, element is clear, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, clear. No hurry. Atomic mass, we will take the round figure of atomic mass, we will not take in the point form. So atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16. Then percentage you are given, carbon given 54.55, hydrogen given 9.06, and oxygen is 36.39 percentage. Percentage is clear. So you can fill this table very easily. You are given name of element, write down the symbol of element. You already know the molecular mass, you already know the atomic mass, write down the atomic mass. You are already given percentage, then you have to follow the percentage. Now atomic ratio means what? 54 will be divided by 12, 9.06 will be divided by 1, and 36.39 will be divided by I am signing over here dividation. So you must divide 54.55 upon 12. 9.06 upon 1. 36.39 points upon 16. You use the calculator. 54.55 divided by 12. 12 fours are 48. So it will be 4.55. 9.06 upon 1 equal to 9.06 as it is. 39 upon 16 will be 2.27. So these three columns we have already filled. Fourth column will be filled with the help of these two columns. Now ratio of simple whole number, how can we find? So you have to choose very smallest number among all these three values. So first value is 4.55, 9.06 and 2.27. Smallest value is 2.27. So you have to choose 2.27. 2.27 will be divided to all these three values. That is ratio of simple whole number. So now 4.55 upon 2.27, 9.06 upon 2.27 and 2.27